Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our Salesforce Certified Marketing Associate course. In this course, we're diving into the process of setting up a Cloud Page form submission to meet specific requirements. Cloud Pages are an incredibly versatile tool in marketing cloud engagement, enabling you to create forms that capture customer data, support engagement, and meet your business goals. To set up a Cloud Page form correctly, you need to balance functionality, design, and compliance. Let's walk through the key steps. The first step is to define the purpose of your form. What do you want to achieve? Are you collecting leads, preferences, feedback, or registrations? For example, if your goal is lead generation, you might only need fields for a name, email, and phone number. On the other hand, an event registration form might include fields for dietary preferences or session selections. The purpose drives the design and determines the fields you'll include. Once you've defined your purpose, it's time to design the form on Cloud Pages. The Cloud Page Editor allows you to easily add input fields, checkboxes, drop-downs, and more. Use clear labels and placeholder text to guide users through the form. For example, instead of just labeling a field as name, specify first name or full name to avoid confusion. Next, you'll need to configure the data extension where your form submissions will be stored. A data extension acts as a database within Marketing Cloud to collect and organize data. Make sure your data extension fields match the fields in your form, and use a unique identifier like a subscriber key or contact key to tie each submission to a specific individual. After setting up the form and data extension, you'll need to configure form submission actions. What happens after someone submits the form? You might redirect them to a thank you page that confirms their submission or send an automated email with additional information. For example, after someone signs up for an event, you could direct them to a confirmation page with event details and send a follow-up email containing their ticket or agenda. Before publishing your Cloud Page form, it's essential to test the form thoroughly. Submit test entries using both valid and invalid data to ensure your validation rules are working as intended. For instance, make sure required fields can't be left blank and that email addresses are entered in the correct format. Test that data flows correctly into the assigned data extension and that all triggers, such as redirections or email notifications, function as expected. Lastly, don't forget to ensure compliance with data protection regulations like GDPR or CCPA. If you're collecting personal data, include a checkbox for explicit consent, such as I agree to receive marketing communications, and provide a link to your privacy policy. This is critical for maintaining trust with your customers and adhering to legal requirements. In summary, by following these steps, you'll create a Cloud Page form that provides a seamless experience for users, ensures accurate data capture, and meets all compliance requirements. Thank you for joining us today, and see you soon.